Iqbal uncle's beautiful pattern.
Good morning, Grandma. What are you doing?
Good morning, Minu. Good morning, Chinu. I am knitting a sweater for your mother. She likes the color pink. So, I am knitting a pink sweater for her. Where are you all going?
We are going to play, Grandma. We are going to play with our friends.
Oh, okay. I'm going to knit the sweater. Bye, children.
Bye, Grandma. Minu, let us go to Salim's house first and take him also to play with us.
Yes, Chinu. Let us go to Salim's house first and then we will go to Sheila's house to take her also.
Okay. Hello, Salim. Will you come to play with us?
Hello, Chino. Hello, Minu. Are we going to play? That will be lots of fun. But I will take just 2 minutes. I have to help my father finish his work.
Sure, Salim. What is he doing? How are you going to help him? Can we also see?
Yes, come inside. He is doing block printing on clothes. I also help him do that.
Good morning, Uncle Iqbal. What a lovely pattern you have made.
Good morning, children. I am happy you like the pattern. The tailor is going to make a pretty skirt for a lovely little girl like you with this cloth. This pattern will come at the bottom like a border.
Oh, so it is one after another. This design comes one after the other. But uncle, you have put the same design in a different pattern in this cloth. Why?
This is the pallu of a sari. I have followed a different pattern here.
Yes, Uncle. I can see the pattern. At the top and bottom, you have done one up and one down.
That's right, Minu. I did that. But the patterns in the middle, my father did that.
The middle pattern is different from the top and bottom. The top and bottom pattern is one up and one down.
Yes, Chinu. The middle also has the same design but a different pattern. It takes a 1/4 turn every time.
1/4 turn? What is that? Just look at the pattern carefully, Buzz. See, the first one is looking up. Then it takes a turn. It takes 4 turns to come back to the same position. That is why Meenu said that it takes 1/4 turn.
Look, Buzz. First turn, second turn, third turn, and now back to the same position. The pattern starts all over again. Now I know. It is a different pattern in the middle.
Did you also notice that the turn is clockwise? It turns in the direction similar to how the needle of a clock moves.
Uncle, this is lots of fun. Can we try more?
Sure, Meenu. There are lots of block designs there. I have some white cloth over there. Keep trying more.
Thank you, Uncle. Come, let's try more. Hey, Buzz, I have started this. Can you follow the pattern?
Oh, what is this pattern? I don't know. Buzz, look carefully. It is simple. You have to do half a turn. Oh, just like up and down. Half a turn.
Chinu, can you do this?
Yes, Salim. Look, I have done it. Buzz, can you tell me the rule that I followed to make the pattern? What are you doing, Buzz?
I am thinking very hard. Enough, Buzz. You have really thought hard. I will tell you the rule. Look carefully. It is turning anti-clockwise. It is making quarter turn anti-clockwise. Oh, now I know. I can understand if I look carefully. Yes, Buzz. That is the main thing with patterns. It is very important to look at it carefully. Then you will understand the rule. Now, let me make a pattern. Chinu, can you guess the rule?
Yes, Meenu, I know the rule. It is taking a 45-degree turn clockwise.
That's right, Chinu. Salim, now can you tell if anything is wrong with this pattern?
Yes, Meenu. First, let me see what the rule is. Let me look at them one at a time. I got it. It is taking a quarter turn clockwise. Oh, this is wrong. It has to be like this, but it is like this.
Right, Salim. You got the mistake. Meenu, even I want to catch a mistake. Please give me also one like this. Okay, Buzz, try this.
is equal to 88.
I want to try one. 25 plus 52 is equal to 77. Oh, magic reverse numbers.
Let us try with some 3-digit numbers now. 134 plus 431 is equal to 565. Oh, it is a special number. It reads the same from left to right and right to left.
Let me also try this with one 3-digit number. 324 plus 423 is equal to 747. A special number again.
Let me try one. 241 plus 142 is equal to 383. Hey, I also got a special number.
Let's do more number magic. I can do magic with the calendar. Salim, can you please get me a calendar? I will show you all some magic. Thank you, Salim. Now, let me mark these 9 numbers. Bas, can you quickly tell me the total of these 9 numbers?
Tell you the total of these 9 numbers? And that too quickly? Who do you think I am, Futta? A computer or a calculator? No way, I can't do that.
I know the answer. I can do it fast. It is 99.
I know. You added it before. That's how you can tell it fast.
No, Buzz. I know this magic. You don't have to add all the numbers one by one. Just take the middle number. It is 11 here. Then multiply it by 9. 11 into 9 is equal to 99. That is the answer. We can check it now by adding all the numbers one by one. See, the answer is the same.
Oh, this is really magic. Meenu, can you mark a box for me to add again?
Okay, Buzz, do this.
I know the answer. I will take the middle number. It is 9. I will multiply it with 9. 9 multiplied by 9 is equal to 81. So, the total of all these 9 numbers is 81, right?
That's right. Friends, isn't this fun? You can do this magic with your friends. They will be very surprised that you can add so fast.
Let me do one number magic. I will do it with odd numbers.
I know odd numbers. They are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13.
But stop! You are right. Now let me tell you the magic. Let me add odd numbers. Just watch the pattern. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. And 4 is 2 into 2. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 9. And 9 is 3 into 3.
Oh, this is fun, Chinu. I got the pattern. I will do it now. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 16. And 16 is 4 into 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 is equal to 25. And 25 is 5 into 5.
Let me do it now. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 is equal to 36. And 36 is 6 multiplied by 6. Friends, you can continue doing this. Meenu, now for some other magic. Tell me what your age is.
My age? I am 10 years old. But why?
It is a magic. Just do as I tell you. Now, add 5 to your age.
Okay, it is 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. It is 15.
Now, multiply the answer by 2.
Okay, it is 15 into 2, which is equal to 30.
Now, subtract 10 from it.
30 minus 10 is equal to 20.
Now, divide the answer by 2.
Okay, 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Oh, magic! It is 10 again. My age.
Oh, this is magic, Putta. Let me do it with my age. I am 8. First add 5. So it is 8 plus 5, which is equal to 13. Then multiplied by 2. So 13 into 2 is equal to 26. Then subtract 10. So 26 minus 10 is equal to 16. Divide by 2. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 8. Back to my age. This is really magical.
Oh no, I don't know my age. I can't do it. But friends, why don't you try and do this magic with your age?
Buzz, it is not only age. You can do this magic with any number. You will get the correct answer. Now, let me do a number magic. Buzz, you do what I tell you to do now. Okay? First, think of a number.
Okay, I like 5, so 5.
Now, double it.
Okay, I have to multiply it by 2 to double it. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10.
Now, multiply the answer by 5.
Oh, okay. 10 multiplied by 5 is equal to 50. It is 50.
Now, divide your answer by 10. What do you get?
Okay, 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5. 5. I got my starting number. This is fun magic.
Friends, don't you think numbers are fun? Let us do this magic with 8. Will you do it? You can do it mentally. First double it. Have you done it? Okay, now multiply it by 5. I am waiting. Okay, you have the answer. Now divide the answer by 10. What did you get? You got 8 again. Oh, so you are right. Let's have more fun with numbers now.
Shall we help Buzz complete the patterns? Look at the patterns carefully. one of them is breaking the rule. Will you help Buzz pick out the wrong one and put in the correct one? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Shall we fill in the missing numbers? That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. correct. That's correct. That's correct. Will you complete the number pattern? Notice the answers carefully. Can you see a pattern? You can discuss the pattern with your friends. Can you find these secret numbers? It is bigger than 50. It is in between
6 tens and 7 tens. Both the ones digit and the tens digit of this number are the same. When you add both the digits, the answer is 12. Can you guess this number?
$66.
It is a 3-digit number. It is the smallest 3-digit number. The sum of all its digits adds up to 1. Can you guess this number? 100. It is more than half of 100. It is more than 7 tens but less than 8 tens. The tens digit of this number is 3 more than the ones digit. Together, the digits add up to 11. What is the number? 74. Now try this number. It is less than half of 100. It is more than 4 tens but less than 5 tens. The ones digit of this number is 1 more than the tens digit. Together, the digits add up to 9. What is the number?
45.